At night, darker tendencies grow stronger and negative thoughts intensify. That when fighting a situation becomes impossible, sometimes stepping away from it may be the wisest choice. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 11, Chaupai number 3, through which we will get to understand what did Trijata do to handle hopelessness of Sita ji. सुनत बचन पद गही समझाएसी, प्रभु प्रताप बल सुजसु सुनाएसी, निसिना अनल मिल सुन सुकुमारी, अस कही सो निज भवन सिधारी. Sometimes it happens that we cannot solve a problem because at that moment no solution is visible to us. We see no option except to face it. But there are certain problems for which neither do we see a solution nor do we feel capable of facing them. In such cases, temporarily stepping away from the problem can seem like the only option. Postponing it for a while, even pretending for a time being that it does not exist. This may sound strange to you, doesn't it? How can running away from a problem be an option? Isn't fleeing from difficulties the act of a coward? But consider this. Sometimes there are problems whose only remedy is time. With time, circumstances begin to improve on their own. And even if these do not fully improve, these may at least become more manageable. And if these do not become better, then we ourselves may develop the strength to endure these. Yet, when even time does not seem to pass, distancing oneself from the situation may be the only workable course. Trijata had no answers to Janki's questions at that moment. She had no logical argument to console her. False hope would not have worked in Vaidehi's current mental state, nor would advice to be patient have had any effect. So how did Trijata respond when Mother Sita asked her to prepare the funeral pyre and light it? सुनत बचन पद गही समझाएसी, प्रभु प्रताप बल सुजसु सुनाएसी, निसिना अनल मिली सुन सुकुमारी, अस कही सो निज भवन सिधारी. Hearing Sita's words, Trijata fell at her feet and tried to persuade her. She reminded Janki of Lord Sri Ram's glory, strength and fame. She assured her that as long as Sri Ram existed, she had no reason to fear. But when Vaidehi remained firm in her demand for the pyre, Trijata, seeing no alternative, replied, "The pyre can certainly be prepared, but fire cannot be obtained at night. We must wait till morning." Saying this, Trijata returned to her dwelling. In doing so, she removed herself from Sita's immediate disposal. She would not have to answer further questions, nor would Sita be able to command her to assist in self-harm. And perhaps by morning, some of her despair, anger, and distrust might be handled in a better way. Yet negativity does not leave so easily, especially at night. At night, darker tendencies grow stronger and negative thoughts intensify. Similar thoughts filled Sita's mind. In the Valmiki Ramayana, Sarga number 28, Shlok number 16, Sita reflects within herself. Sa jivitam shipramaham tyajeyam vishena shastren shitena vapi विषस्य दाता नहि मेस्ति कश्चि च शस्त्रस्य वा वेश्मनि राक्षसस्य. I shall end my life at once, by poison or by some sharp weapon. But in this demon's abode, there is no one to bring me poison nor to give a weapon. Various thoughts crowded Janki's mind about how she might end her life. She did not find any way or method to execute that. And since Trijata had returned home, Vaidehi had no option left but to wait. So what lesson do we learn from today's Chaupai? That when fighting a situation becomes impossible, sometimes stepping away from it may be the wisest choice. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to those who are surrounded by hardships. Yes, human effort teaches us that we should face the challenges before us. But sometimes it is also necessary to set aside our troubles for a while and lose ourselves in moments of joy. Just look at this elderly gentleman. There may be countless challenges and hardships in his life, but at the moment, nothing can stop him from enjoying life. आने वाली पीढ़ी को जोड़ें अपने इतिहास से, देकर उनको महापुरुषों के जीवन की जानकारी. तो बोलो, मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रबहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी.